Bet anywhere with TVG. These kind of performances left us in awe.
Songbird's class is sticking out a mile. She's just exuding class. Songbird could not have been more impressive in the Del Mar debut tell. But the fact is, Songbird is just plain too classy. It is Songbird, the daughter of Adalio Doro, in another scintillating performance today.
There is absolutely no stopping Songbird. It is all Songbird. Mike Smith aboard, crushing the field.
With 3 Grade 1 wins and over $1.5 million in earnings, she was the clear choice for champion 2-year-old filly. Now Songbird will look to kick off her 2016 campaign with a win in the Grade 2 Las Virgenes Stakes, Saturday at Santa Anita.